First, open the YouTube app on your device and find the video you want to download. Click on the Share button and select Copy Link. Then close YouTube and open your Telegram app. In the search bar, look for the All Video Downloader bot. Select it and click the Start button to begin. Next, paste the YouTube link you just copied into the chat and send it. Wait for a few seconds for the bot to process the link. And then you will be asked to select your preferred video quality. I'm choosing 720p HD here. After waiting a moment more, the bot will send you the final video file, which is now ready to be saved. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe to Technical Tech Dream for more helpful tech tips.